Hey my sleigh baddies, welcome back to another video. Today we have another 2 pre-algebra questions for y'all. So our first problem today is find the largest integer that is smaller than the sum of these baddies. And that is a lot of over, so I'm not going to say that. I'm not even going to try. So, at first thought, you might be like, wow, many fraction. What the okay, no, but don't curse. Anyways, you can write a mixed fraction. I don't know if y'all know yet, but you can write a mixed fraction. So it's like 2 1/2, for example, just happens to be there. So you can write a mixed fraction as the whole number plus the fraction part. So we can write 2 1/2 as 2 plus 1/2. And another cool trick is if we add on a 3 1/3, so 3 plus 1/3, you can actually do the whole number parts first. You can actually add the whole number parts first and then add the fractional parts. So, keeping that in mind, we can split all of these into the whole number plus the fraction part. So we're going to add the whole numbers first and then worry about the fraction part to see if it makes any more whole numbers. And it's asking for the largest integer that is smaller than this. So we're basically just going to try to find the biggest number that is smaller than what we get afterwards. So when you add 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, I don't know if you guys know either, but it adds up to 20 as it's just some speedy math. If you guys can I'm gonna give you a second to comprehend. Yeah. All right. Speedy math. And we still have to consider the fractional part though, because we can't just go ahead and, oh my god, it's 20, oh my god, no, it's not. No, it's actually not. We're talking about the fraction part here, because if the fraction part adds up to something more than 1, we're screwed, and the point just goes wee. So we're going 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/6. I'm not sure if y'all know either, but 1/3 plus 1/6 is actually half. Pause the video if you want to confirm. 1/3 plus 1/6 is actually half. And if we add the half and the other half, we will get a 1. But, okay, so I'm going to stop saying it now. But 20, which is the whole number sum, plus the 1 we got from the 1/2, 1/3, and 1/6, plus 1/4 and 1/5. 1/4 and 1/5 are never going to make 1. They're way too small for that. But, now that we have this down, it's basically 21 plus 1/4 and 1/5. And as I said, 1/4 and 1/5 are too small to make 1. So the largest integer that is smaller than this long stream of stuff I'm not bothering to say is 21. I'm going to make my highlighter a little bigger so I can highlight it faster and get this video done with quicker. Moving on to problem number 2. Evaluate. So I'm not even going to try to say that. Anyway, as you can see, the second half of the equation is much easier than the first half. If you can't tell, perhaps you are not looking at your screen right now. But the second half is multiple times easier than the first one in both literal and metaphorical ways. If we plug in the 1 1/3 into the 3a minus 4, you would get, if you solve it on your own time, you would get 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, you might be saying, oh my god, but 4 minus 4 is 0. This must be a mistake. No, it's not. You're supposed to solve the second half first. Mostly 1, because it is literally easier. Who wouldn't? And 2, it's, if you see the denominator on the a and the 3 on the a as well, you would think it evens out, right? So it's just whatever's on the numerator. That's just a number now. So it sort of lures you to do that too. And as you know, any number times 0 is always going to be 0. So who cares what this first part is? This entire equation is equivalent to this big, chunky, I was about to say circular, this is like an oval, object called 0. So yeah, that's it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!